Look at this lettuce. Yes, it has a few holes, but honestly, it's still 100 times better than the plastic bag stuff you can get at the supermarket. And the best part is, you can grow this at home, even if you don't have a garden. In this video, I will show you how step by step you can grow a lettuce in a pot, and you don't even need a big one. And if you stay until the end, I will share with you a really cool trick to keep your lettuce growing forever, just by putting the base of the plant in water. So let's jump in. Before we start planting, let's quickly look at what you actually need. First, a pot with drainage holes. This is super important so the roots don't rot. The good news is lettuce doesn't need a deep pot. Something medium size that you probably already have at home will do the job. Then a good potting mix for vegetables. For seeds, choose varieties that grow well in containers, like oak leaf, butterhead or romaine. They are all easy and delicious. Finally, a little organic fertilizer will help your plants stay strong. Bonus tip, you can also grow lettuce in grow bags, balcony boxes or even upcycled container. Lettuce is very adaptable. I'm showing you with my big grow bag here, but it works just as well in smaller pot. Fill your pot with soil. Don't press it down too much. Lettuce roots like a soft, hairy soil. Sprinkle the seeds over the surface and cover them with just a very thin layer of soil, about half a centimeter. Don't bury them too deep, otherwise they might struggle to sprout. If you are using seed tapes or pellets, just place them on top and cover lightly. Water well right after sowing. This wakes the seed up and gets them started. For a continuous harvest, sow a few seeds every 2 to 3 weeks instead of planting everything at once. So what happens after planting? This is where a little care makes all the difference. Check the soil regularly. If the tops feels dry, it's time to water. Always water at the base of the plant, not on the leaves. That keeps disease away. Lettuce loves the morning sun, but in hot weather it's much happier with some afternoon shade. Give them a light dose of liquid fertilizer every 2 weeks. If you notice pests like aphids or snails, don't worry. Just use something natural like neem oil, crushed eggshells, coffee grounds, or even a garlic spray. All of this usually do the trick. Lettuce grows really well next to carrots, radishes, and herbs like chives. They help keep pests away naturally. After a few weeks, here is the fun part, harvesting. You can cut the outer leaves one by one and let the plant keep growing from the center. That way you will get a steady supply of fresh leaves. Or if you prefer, you can cut the whole head at once for one big harvest. Bonus tip, harvest in the morning when the leaves are crisp and full of water for the best taste. And here is the bonus I promised. Even after harvesting, your lettuce doesn't have to be finished. Take the base of the plant, the little stumps that usually thrown away, and place it in a glass of water. This works best with loose leaf lettuces like oak leaf, leaf lettuce, mesclun, or romaine hearts. In just a few days you will see tiny new leaves starting to grow from the center. Change the water every couple of days to keep it fresh. And after a week or two, you will have a handful of tender leaves you can harvest again. For red lettuces like Batavia or Ballon, you may also see small leaves regrow, but they won't form a full head again, just a few bitter baby leaves. If you want continuous harvest, loose leaf types are the way to go. You can even transfer the regrowing base into soil for a slightly longer cycle of fresh greens. So there you go, homegrown lettuce that's fresher, healthier and more sustainable than anything in plastic. If you found this video helpful, give the video a like, subscribe for more gardening tips, and tell me in the comments what variety of lettuce do you enjoy the most.